Hello everyone. So in this video we will learn how to add Pipedrive persons as new Mailchimp subscribers. So imagine this, you have created a new person called as John in Pipedrive. So you have John's name, email address, phone number and all those details. So your idea is that you want to add John as a subscriber in Mailchimp, maybe to send him a confirmation email or product related messages in the future. So here you have two choices. The first choice is copy all the details of John from Pipedrive, sort it out, and manually create a contact in Mailchimp. The problem with this approach is it's actually very repetitive and tiresome. So here I would suggest that you bring in some automation so that whenever a new person is added in Pipedrive, automatically create a subscriber in Mailchimp. So in this video, we will be using Pabbly Connect to integrate Pipedrive and Mailchimp. The best part of using Pabbly Connect is there is no need for coding skills or programming knowledge. It can be done easily. Let me show you on my screen. Okay, so we are going to begin with a small example. So as you can see, this is my Pipedrive account and these are all the persons or the contact that I have created in my Pipedrive. So the idea is that once you create a person in Pipedrive, it will be added as a contact in Mailchimp. So I'm going to add a guy. Okay, so the name is Heather and Heather 𝗪𝗵𝘆. The organization she works is Oracle. And the label, I'm keeping it as customer, the phone number. So this is Heather's phone number and this is Heather's email. 𝗪𝗵𝘆3@gmail.com. Okay. And the owner is basically me and the visibility is assigned to me only. So let me just click on save. So the idea is that once a person is added to your Pipedrive account, he will be added as a contact in Mailchimp. So let me just refresh this. This is the Mailchimp list. Okay, so I'm refreshing it. So we can expect to find this person called as Heather. Yes, Heather in the contact list. So Heather 𝗵𝗆123@gmail.com. The first name is Heather, last name is 𝗵𝗆. Okay, so to begin the integration process in the new tab, let me just type pabbly.com. So your obvious question is why pabbly.com? Well, we have an app called as Pabbly Connect that will integrate Pipedrive and Mailchimp. So this is the website of pabbly.com. Let me just click on sign in. Okay, so this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. As you can see, I already have made an account in Pabbly Connect. You can also build your own free account in just 2 minutes. So let me just scroll down and here you will find Connect. Just click on access now. Okay, so the top right corner, you will find a button, create workflow. Click this. A dialog box appears in front of you. It is asking you to give a name to this workflow. I'm going to give it as Pipedrive to Mailchimp and just click on create. So basically we are going to create a new workflow. Now in case if you want or to replicate or clone this workflow, the link of this workflow is available in the description box. So in the choose app, how about we make it as Pipedrive because we want to send the data from Pipedrive, that is why. Okay, so now in the trigger event, how about we make it as new person? New person is a trigger event. So your obvious question is, what is a trigger event? Trigger is basically an if statement. It asks a question, if the condition is met, what should be done? For example, if a new person is made in Pipedrive, then what action should be taken by the system? We do have a ton of trigger events like new deal, new product, new pipeline, new node, new stage. All of them are a bunch of trigger events. Now in case if you want more triggers of your choice, you can make a request to our team at admin@pabbly.com to custom build a trigger event for you. But at present, I just want to send the data when a new person is made in Pipedrive. So basically that's the gist. So essentially what we are trying to do here is we are just trying to integrate Pipedrive to Pabbly Connect. So let me just click on connect with Pipedrive. In the new credentials, we have to enter the API token. So to get the API token, let me just go to Pipedrive. So this is my Pipedrive account and let me just go to the profile. So in the drop down, you will find the option called as company settings. Click this. Okay, so in the company settings, you will have to bring your attention to this part called as personal preferences. Click this. Okay, so we have 3 sections here. Click on the API section. So this is your API token. Copy this and paste it here. Okay, and let me just click on save. So when you click on save, you will find the webhook URL as well as the company domain. So basically in usual cases, we basically copy this webhook URL and paste it into your triggering software. But in case with Pipedrive, all you have to do is enter the company domain, which in case is this thing. Okay, so this is my company domain. some characters between the HTTPS and .pipedrive. So basically this is my company domain. I have entered it, and all I have to do is just click on save and send test request to integrate Pipedrive to Pabbly Connect. So the status is showing it as success. Okay, so basically this means that anytime a new person is created in Pipedrive, Pabbly Connect has to capture the data. So as to ensure that Pabbly Connect captures this data, let me just click on this button, capture webhook response. Okay, so it is showing it is waiting for the data. So let me just go to Pipedrive. And what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to create a new person. Okay, so the name of the person is Tiffany Mac. Okay, let me just Tiffany. Okay, and the organization is the organization she works for is SpaceX. Okay, and the label hot lead or warm lead, and this is her phone number. Let me just remove that. And this is the email, tiffany123@gmail.com. Okay, the owner is Ashirai. The visibility is it is visible to the whole group. And let me just click on save. Okay, so a person called as Tiffany Mac has been added. Now since Pabbly Connect is integrated with Pipedrive, let's have a look whether Pabbly Connect has captured this data or not. Yes, so Pabbly Connect has captured the data, so let's explore the result. So the name is Tiffany, the first name is Tiffany, the last name is Mac. It has actually split the result, and this is the email, tiffany123@gmail.com. So basically we have also got the SpaceX, that is basically organization name and all those details. So using all those details, we are going to create a contact in Mailchimp. So to do that, let me just click on this plus button. Okay, so essentially I'm just introducing one more action window. So in the choose app, how about we make it as Mailchimp, because we want to create a contact in Mailchimp. That is why Mailchimp it is. Now in the action event, just make it as add new member and just click on connect with Mailchimp. Okay, so in the new credentials, we have to enter the token as well as the data center. So to get the token as well as the data center, let me just take you to Mailchimp. So this is my Mailchimp account. Now at the left bottom, you will find your profile. Click this, then click on your account. Okay, then go to this part called as extras. Click this and just click on API keys. Okay, so these are all the API keys that I have created. Now for your consideration, I'm going to create a new API key. So let me just click on create a key. Okay, excellent. So we have created a key. So this is the newly created key. I'm just going to copy this and I'm going to paste it here. Okay, so we have created a token and we have pasted this token here. Now coming to the data center. So basically this is my data center. I have copied this and I'm going to paste it here. So we have entered the data center. So let me just click on save. So when you click on save, a set of blanks has appeared in front of you. The purpose of these blanks is very simple. We are going to create a contact in Mailchimp from the data that we have received from Pipedrive via Pabbly Connect. So in the audience list, it is showing Pabbly. This is because there is only one audience list, that is Pabbly. Okay, so that is why Pabbly it is. Now coming to the first name, so let me just introduce you to this button. This button is called as the mapping button. When we click this, we will find all the details that we have received from Pipedrive. So the first name I think was Tiffany. So yeah, we have mapped it. Now we have the last name as Tiffany Mac. So yeah, Mac it is. Now coming to the phone number, did we enter the phone number? So let me just scroll down. Okay, so where is our phone number? So yeah, so we have mapped it. Now coming to the email address. Email is, let me just scroll down even more. Oh yeah, so this is the email address. The status, I'm keeping it as subscribed, and the tags I'm going to enter. So this is how you enter the tag. Enter a pair of double quotes, and inside the pair of double quotes, just type Pipedrive or any name according to your discretion. I'm just typing Pipedrive because this data came from Pipedrive, and let me just click on save and send test request. Okay, so the API response is showing the data has been sent. So let's have a look. So let me just take you to Mailchimp and let me just take you to audience. Okay, in the audience you will find contacts. Okay, yeah, so we have a person called as tiffany123@gmail.com. So the first name is Tiffany, the last name is Mac. So the presence of this contact shows that we have successfully integrated Pipedrive and Mailchimp with help of Pabbly Connect. Now before you leave, let me just explain you the whole mechanism in a nutshell. So here I'm just going to minimize this action window and I'm going to minimize the trigger window. So basically this is the whole process in a nutshell. First you integrated Pipedrive to Pabbly Connect, and then you have integrated Pabbly Connect to Mailchimp. So now there is a perfect flow of data between Pipedrive and Mailchimp. Excellent.
Not just these two apps, you can integrate up plenty of applications using Pabbly Connect. If you have any queries, contact us at admin@pabbly.com. Our dedicated team members will help you to automate your workflows. Or better, just visit our website www.pabbly.com. It's awesome. Thanks.